Building lifelong skills. How to teach your children responsibility early. Teaching your children responsibility from a young age is crucial, helping them develop independence, accountability, and a strong work ethic. Here's a step-by-step guide to instill this essential life skill early on. 1. Start with simple tasks. Begin with age-appropriate chores that children can easily manage. For toddlers, this could be putting toys away, while older kids can help with tasks like setting the table or feeding pets. 2. Create a routine. Consistent daily routines help children understand what is expected of them. Set regular times for chores, homework, and bedtime to build structure and responsibility into their day. 3. Model responsibility. Children learn a lot by observing their parents. Demonstrate responsibility in your own actions, whether it is managing your time, completing tasks, or taking care of responsibilities at home. 4. Offer choices and consequences. Let your children make decisions about their responsibilities. For instance, allow them to choose between two chores. Also, discuss the natural consequences of their actions, both good and bad, to teach them accountability. 5. Give praise and encouragement. Recognize your child's efforts when they complete tasks on their own. Positive reinforcement boosts their self-esteem and motivates them to take on more responsibilities. And hey, speaking of praise, can you tell that someone you are not stinky anymore? So please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 6. Teach problem solving. Encourage children to think through problems on their own. If they are struggling with a task, guide them with questions that help them figure out solutions rather than offering direct answers. 7. Set clear expectations and rules. Explain what is expected of your child and what the outcomes will be if they fulfill or don't fulfill their responsibilities. Having clear guidelines ensures they know what they are working towards. 8. Teach time management. Help your child learn to prioritize tasks. Teach them how to manage their time effectively by breaking large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. 9. Allow natural consequences. Sometimes the best lessons are learned through experience. If your child forgets to do something or doesn't follow through on a responsibility, allow them to face the natural consequences. This helps them understand the importance of being reliable. 10. Be patient and consistent. Responsibility takes time to develop. Be patient and provide ongoing guidance, support, and reinforcement as your child learns these essential skills. By teaching responsibility early, you are setting your child up for success throughout their life. With practice, consistency, and encouragement, they will develop the self-discipline and accountability they need to thrive. And there you have it, wonderful souls. We have journeyed through the magic of teaching responsibility, unlocking the key to helping our children grow into confident, capable, and empowered individuals. Remember, every small step you take today plants a seed for a future full of strength and success. As you guide them through their daily tasks, remember, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln. You, as their guide, are creating a world of endless possibilities for them. Keep believing, keep encouraging, and keep nurturing that spark of responsibility within them. If this video sparkled a little magic in your heart, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who could use a bit of inspiration today. Let's keep spreading positivity, growth, and responsibility, one step at a time. Till next time, keep shining bright, and remember, the magic of today is the foundation for tomorrow's greatness. Stay magical, friends.